Um, it's great to be here at Sustainable City to discuss how we can contribute together to the sustainability of global sustainability. So we were very impressed by the design model of the sustainable city and their approach to water, food, and renewables. It reinforced the idea that Dubai is really at the forefront of the sustainability. However, moving toward net zero transition comes with cost. It drives up demand of critical materials, and extracting those materials can increase significantly of the CO2 emissions. And when those increments reach end of life, they can produce waste that harm the environment because they contain the heavy metal and all the toxic chemicals. So recycling I think, is the answer to this. So recycling can reduce pollution and conserve the resource. Especially, they can decarbonize the supply chain. For example, if you use recycled battery materials, the carbon footprint is only a quarter of that virgin materials from mining. So, but all new technologies were initially developed without recycling solutions. That's why we established North Star Recycling. So our goal is to continuously develop state-of-the-art recycling technologies to help our customers produce low carbon product and return to the supply chain. So currently we focus on lithium-ion battery recycling. It's a very dangerous process, and we can encounter risks such as fire and explosions and handling of the electrolyte and heavy metal. So through our solutions, we can basically provide a safe, low carbon and green process. For example, if we have like an end-of-life battery, we can divide them into two streams. One stream is we reuse them into like energy storage systems and some low speed vehicles. And the other stream is they are broken batteries. They are going for further processing, and we can extract valuable metals such as lithium carbonate, nickel sulfide, cobalt sulfide, and manganese sulfide. So we actually improve the process without need for like burning and heating the batteries. So we consume less energy, and we have a highly automated and digitalized process. We have our own energy and carbon management system. We can even track the real-time carbon footprint of our product. So let me give you a specific example to explain the economics here. So in China, actually we have to bid for the end-of-life batteries, meaning you need to pay for the owner of the battery, but we still manage to make profit. Instead, in Europe, like in UK, the recyclers charge for the end-of-life battery. That means before you further process them, you can make profit. So like 1 ton of EV batteries, through a pre-treatment, we can get a value of like 4,700. If we further refine the materials, like to make them into the metal salts, that will add another 4,300. So we have already mapped our success with several projects, including a demo project in Shanghai. This is the first of its kind and full process battery recycling facility in a major city in China. And we also build like a recycling facility for the SK Group. And as experts in the field, we help our partners to secure $2 million Australian dollars funding from the EPA of New South Wales, and to build the next generation recycling facility for the energy storage system. So currently, we are building a benchmark facility that we 100% own in our base Qingdao with our partners Linde, Siemens, and CETC. So although we only Okay, we started only 3 years, but our research dates back to 2009, and we have strong partners, and we have published many highly cited papers. So this is our team led by a group of industry experts and scientists. So our key investors, like TESS, it operates over 20 countries with over 40 factories. It basically had all the necessary permits and certification to transfer and handle the waste, and Apple and Samsung are their customers. And another one is China Merchants Group, which is a state-owned company in China and opened many use cases for us. So actually, we are here to looking for partnerships in the Middle East. So it will be like great ideal collaboration if North Star Recycling can supply all the technologies, and our partner TESS while leveraging their existing global network service, and also stakeholding use their existing ecosystem. That will be great. So what we will do here is we need to like set up a new company here and build a demo facility. We won't only like do recycling in the Middle East region, because given the strategic position and reputation of Dubai, I think it will be great if we can build a facility in a very high standard with state-of-the-art technologies, and we can invite our customers all around the world, from EU, from America, from China, to come here. Like if they are impressed by our technology, we can sell our solutions and do recycling with them. So finally, we will like create a network globally. Basically, when you have connections with those factories, you have to build their facility. You have all the data of the recycled materials, and we can help them to manage the carbon assets and do the carbon trading with them. So that's basically my thank you.